Going.
I'm going to go hunting.
Where? Where? In the flowers? Huh? In the forest?
I'm going to the Escanita there.
Oh, go. Dun muna sa isang flowers. Are you with Onanay? Are you with Onanay? Go something. Stop. Here. Dito. May ghost ba dito? Ha?
Oh yeah.
Teka lang. Wag- How did you know na walang ghost sa flowers?
I died because the ghost is white.
Okay.
The ghost is invisible.
No smiling in the video. Ghost hunting is serious. Can you go there? Why?
I'm scared.
Why?
I don't want to.
Are you sure? Are you seeing the kapre? Huh? To answer? But you don't like to go there. Let's check the video. Oh no, this is so sad. It feels like sad, no? Okay, so maybe there's ghost there. Do you think here?
No.
Where are we going next?
There, diba we haven't checked the other Escanita there, yung malayo?
The other is Kinita in NNU?
No, there yo.
Why? Is it scary there?
I think
Okay.
so.
Or you walk? Why do you like to see ghosts? Why do you like to see ghosts?
I'm scared.
You wanna be scared? In your house? No ghost?
Yes, that light is turned on.
Okay. Si Onanay. Bakit kasama natin si Onanay?
Because he wants to sama.
Uy, Bachang, why are you still awake?
Oh, why daw? What are you doing?
Ghost hunting.
What?
Ghost hunting.
Ghost hunting? Oh my god, it's too scary.
Naman mag-ghost hunting naman ang person.
Kasama nga si Onanay sa ghost hunting.
Love, love.
Bye-bye!
Here.
Where's Onanay? Ah, that side? Okay.
You haven't checked here.
Okay. Oh, you go first. What are you feeling? What do you feel?
I feel like we should come back here.
No, stay. Let's continue.
Let's check.
Hmm?
It's locked.
Oh, let's go back na. Mananay, kita na, come back. Mananay, let's... Oh, no, si Onanay. Natakot si Onanay. Natakot siya, tamakbo siya. Babalik na ba tayo sa quick escape? Where?
We're going next to our stop and going to MU.
Okay. And he's really away. Are you sure you wanna go there? Okay. Oh, nanay. Oh no. There are a lot of people here.
It's okay. It will be fine.
Why?
Because it's not scary.
Because there's still a lot of people, right?
Not too early.
Hmm?
It's not too early, of course.
It's not too early, it's not too late. Oh, what time is it? Oh, you go there. Para ako nakita. Dito ka lang sa side.
Nanay.
Dito ka lang sa side. Ano siya? Si Onani.
Banana is scary
Why do you think Onanay wants to come with us?
because he said you're gonna buy food for her.
But she just ate.
She thought you're gonna buy a pillow for her. There's people there.
Oh, baka hinahanap ka na. Dito sa school. You wanna take video here in the school? Ha? Ay, tayo ka dyan.
Why?
Tayo, pipicturean kita.
Why?
Para may picture ka sa sa video. Oh, let's go. This is so dark here. It's dark.
I think we should go back.
Okay.
Nanay.
Mananay, dito ka nga sa side.